This smartphone can go all the way to 4K 60 frames per second, but for the purpose of this video we're in 30 frames per second, because in 30 you can have a little better telephoto. It means you can reach further. Instead of 10, 15. Well, this is wide angle. If you want to vlog from the wide angle lens, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging style. Let me stop for a bit. Do remember, then you can compare this video to any other flagship. Same place, different time, different weather. Today we do have a fantastic weather, very little wind, and just no clouds, so that's amazing, amazing weather. Top. So you will have a maximum experience from this smartphone. Main lens, video stabilization, again 4K 30. Alright. There'll be a lot of noise from the cars. Telephoto 2x 4x 8 10. Alright, let's go further for the 4K 30 15. Can you read what is on that sign? I don't think you can. So that telephoto is... Can you read the license plate? No, you can. At least I cannot read it on this phone screen. So I think telephoto in the other brands, other smartphones are a little bit better. This is still wide angle. The main question is, do we have autofocus in wide angle lens? So we can do macro just like that. It is available. Nice. How quick it is? Quick. What about main lens? Autofocus? Very quick. That's great. Telephoto? Okay, that's 2x, that's the same lens. Lens going to switch. Okay, 4x, 5x, it's a different lens. We do have telephoto and autofocus, so that's great. What about front-facing camera? And in the front-facing camera, you can also have 4K 60, but for the purpose of the video, it's 4K 30. You can do a close-up. What is this? 1x, 0.8. That's not all, and wide. Damn, that is a wide view. I would love to see such a wide view in more smartphones. This is the widest front-facing camera, I've seen ever in any smartphone. Wow, for vlogging, you can literally, it's perfect for vlogging. Now, calm down, calm down. Calm down, calm down. All right. Doesn't have autofocus. No. Oh, is it? Well, if we, what can we do? We can do leaves. Doesn't have autofocus. That is the question. I think it does have. I think there is a autofocus, but it's very slow. Hard to say. Hard to say. Let me know in the comment below. But it is very wide. Okay, what else do we have in this beautiful smartphone? Recording. Okay. We do have night mode, but at the moment we have daylight. Snapshot. If you want. Portrait mode. For smooth portrait. I mean, you can go even wider. Oh. There's not too much. Anyway, we do have beauty mode if you wanted to. Softening the skin. All kinds of weird. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. By the way, a portrait. I'm going to do. Bam. And that is really good. Really good. Photo. And in the photo mode, we do have a shortcuts for flash, aspect ratio. There is no 16:9 some reason. I like that shortcut because it's easy to operate. Moving picture, filters, black and white. All right. All right, pink. All right, let's go back to the regular one. Again, filters, assign grid, and settings. Of course, we can do okay. We can switch to the main lens, and we can do it from the main lens with the X image, which is vivid, bright, and mono. Right, let's try it. Because why not? And then, bam, bam, bam. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, that's pretty cool. A video. Going back to the photo again, we do have humongous zoom in photo, like 100x. But of course, if you do 100x, the image will come out AI improved. For example, if you want it for 100x, it have to be something. It's pretty good in 13x. Look, that's very good. You see, everything above 30 is just come on. Okay, we need to find something just far away. Oh, I found something. Okay, it's extremely far away. Okay, well, that zoom is incredible. And let's see how good this will kick him. That's some air conditioning unit. Air conditioning unit. It's AI generated photo. All right. In the video, of course, we have 10x. Okay, it's 15x if we're in the 30 frames per second, and 10x if we in 60 frames per second. See, I like the knob. It's pretty comfortable to use. We do have Pro, so you can do all kinds of RAW if you wanted to. Focus, vivid and bright, and also for the video, a separate frame rate. Those are the shortcuts, so you can operate with your right hand, which is very convenient. I would love to see such a feature in more smartphones. It's very convenient to use. Anyway, hit more. We do have high res. Well, in a different flagship, the high res is a bit quicker than that. it's okay. It's high res, but it's very slow. I think it's AI generated. I could be wrong. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. All right, let's move on. We have multicam, and but you have to have like 2 smartphones. Bam. Yep, and it is quick, really quick. All right, and multicam aperture, so you can change the aperture if you wanted to. And the camera itself have moving aperture, and the whole thing is also moving. Let me show you the aperture first. Have a look at the middle of the camera. Maybe I will make a little bit of zoom. The middle, see? The lens itself. Let me just show it to you. This is 1.6, 2, 2.8, and 4. Slow motion, of course. Dual view. 2 cameras at the same time. Oh, okay. Can change just like that. All right, that is cool for vlogging if you want. Could you like this? Could you like this? It's cool. Story creator, panorama, light, painting. All right. Let me show you some samples for photo samples. Wow, check out those guys. There will link in the description for you to download the original samples. Wow, to be very brave to do that. Damn, that is brave. Wow.
In the photo world, my dear amigo, this smartphone is not any different because it is over-sharpening the image greatly. It looks like from the smartphone. It has a lot of details. The selfie is really good, but it's still a smartphone selfie. Macros, really nice. Landscapes are really good. It looks almost like from the professional camera. Those landscapes and the colors, I like that. I like the landscapes. But if we go to more colors, it will oversaturate the image just a bit. Not too much. Well, it all depends on the light conditions. You see, with the poor light conditions, oof, this is like a whole thing is a blob. Red blob. Huawei advertised it as a camera which could capture high-speed moving subject without any blur on the picture. Now, is it going to be a fantastic? Oh wow, now that is some AI magic for you. Wow, they're all sharp. How? That, I'm not sure. Well, it's amazing. That's all I got. Thanks for watching and see you next video.